Hey Dan,
Hey, Rita.
what is auravision?
So, auravision is a solution for retailers to see inside their stores so they can see everything that's happening, who their customers are, what products they're engaging with, and how they're interacting with customers. So, retailers ultimately use auravision to increase sales and boost productivity in their stores.
Amazing. Why did you start the company?
So Jamie and I started the company during our PhDs in machine learning and computer vision. So we developed this unique algorithm that can detect people's demographics, like their age, their gender, whether a staff member or a customer. But the secret sauce is that it can do it without needing to see visible faces from a security camera angle in the store. And that really is what differentiates us in the market right now. So we joined Y Combinator in 2019. We spoke to hundreds of retailers and we had a bit of experience in retail before starting the business. So we really knew that the problem that we needed to solve was to give retailers the same level of visibility as they have online on their e-commerce stores in their physical stores offline.
Cool. And what are the advantages of video analytics in contrast to other solutions on the market today?
So the two big advantages of video analytics is that it's more cost effective and it's more versatile than traditional solutions on the market. So if you have, hundreds of small to medium sized stores, 1,500 square foot, you'd be looking at putting 15 to 20 sensors in every single store to map out the full store footprint. With a traditional solution, that would be incredibly cost prohibitive because there's a lot of costs in the hardware and the layout of the wires. With auravision, you're just harnessing the existing security cameras in the store. So it's plug and play with the existing infrastructure, which means you can map out the full footprint of the store. And because you're just using video from the security cameras, anything that you or I can see in the camera, we can design an algorithm to capture that data. So it's so much more versatile than a top-down sensor solution that can only count people moving through the area.
And how accurate has video analytics become?
So the accuracy of video analytics has come on leaps and bounds since the advent of deep learning. So 10, 15 years ago, people were using something called blob detection that wasn't super accurate. But now with deep learning, you're looking at 99% plus accuracy for counting people across the entrance of your store, which in many situations is as accurate, if not more accurate, than a traditional solution. But the key is that because it's video analytics, it's so much more versatile, so you can get high accuracy on new problems and new environments and new ways of counting and measuring customer behavior.
Is auravision AI really anonymous?
Yes, it is. So we process all the data in real time. So the video never leaves the store. It's processed on premise and instantly converted into anonymous aggregated insights. So it means we never store or transmit the video data, and the data that's reported back on the dashboard is aggregated down to 50 minutes, so you can't identify any individuals. We have to be GDPR compliant because we sell this solution to major retailers in Europe that have some of the strictest privacy regulations behind them.
And how do you see the in-store customer experience changing in the next 5 years?
Yeah, it's a big question. So it used to be, the battle between e-commerce and physical, and that's now really no longer the case. E-commerce and physical are formats that both support each other. What we're seeing more now is the trend between autonomous stores like Amazon Go and Getir and Gorillas in the UK that are just trying to create a much more efficient purchasing experience versus experiential retail with major fashion, apparel, furniture retailers moving towards experiential. And this trend, this segmentation throughout the market is really important. We're working with some of the largest sportswear retailers, for example, where customers are going into the store, they're engaging with products, but then they go and buy those products online through their app or their mobile websites. And so the in-store experience is still super important because that's a key touch point on the journey to purchase. So measuring what customers are doing, how many customers are coming to the store, how many products they're interacting with is becoming even more important to prove out the value of physical stores and leading on the journey to purchase.